Hi guys, I hope you people are doing well. In today's video, I'll be sharing how to do makeup step by step for the beginners who have zero knowledge in makeup. Firstly, after washing your face, you have to apply a moisturizer for prepping your skin. Next, you have to apply a primer for creating a smooth canvas before your foundation application. In the next step, apply the foundation with the help of any brush or any beauty blender. Here I am using the brush from Pack in the number of 005 and applying the foundation in circular motion. If you want a full coverage look, then you can layer up your foundation as much as you want. Next, apply the concealer 2 or 3 shades lighter than your skin tone for highlighting your face. Here I am applying the concealer under my eye areas, on the bridge of my nose and on my forehead, on the cupid bow and on my chin, and gently blending it into my skin so that there is no harsh line visible. Next, apply a translucent powder to set the base and especially the concealer so that it doesn't crease and make the base long lasting for all day long. Next, to get a defined look, you can use a powder contour or any bronzer. Here I am using a powder contour on my cheekbones and then on my forehead and on my jawline. And I am contouring my nose as well, which is optional. Next, apply some blush on your cheeks to get a vibrant look. And then you can do your eyebrows. Here I have done it off camera. Next, for the eye makeup, I have taken a transition shade and have applied it on my crease areas and blended it very well into my skin tone. Next, taking a darker brown shade, I have applied it on my crease areas to get more defined eye look and have blended it into the transition shade without leaving any harsh lines. Next, I have applied a glittery green eyeshadow on my eyelid. Next, I have applied a Kajal on my waterline and on top of it I have applied a green eyeshadow and blended it with a transition shade without leaving any harsh line. Next, I have highlighted my inner corners of the eyes and the brow bone areas, and then I have applied some mascara on my eyelashes. Then, to get an instant glow to my face, I have applied some highlighter on my cheeks and on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose and on the cupid bow and on my chin. Next, I have applied a bright colored lipstick on my lips. And lastly, I have applied a setting spray to set everything in place. I hope you guys will find this video helpful, and if you do like this look, do let me know in the comment section, and also like and share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and obviously click the bell icon so that you never miss any update. And stay well, keep sharing love on me, and thank you so much for loving my videos. Thank you and bye bye. See you in my next video.